The CICS feature pack for Modern Batch allows you to submit or schedule batch jobs via the WebSphere application server's job scheduler. In this scenario, we'll show the submission of a batch job which reads values from an input vsam file, adds 10% to those values, and updates an output vsam file. The application's checkpoint algorithm instructs CICS to commit a unit of work every 1,000 records. Initially, the input vsam file contains some invalid data so that we can show some error handling. Here we have our input vsam file. Our application will take the number here and add 10%. At key 7777, we have invalid data so that we can show the error handling. We're going to run our job by submitting the XJCL via the WebSphere application server's job scheduler. This will dispatch the job to an endpoint in CICS capable of running the application. We specify the location of the XJCL, click Submit, and we are informed that the job has been submitted. On the View Jobs page, we can see that the job is executing. We can click on the job to view its output. After refreshing, we hit the error in the input data. The job output shows that an error occurred after the 7th checkpoint, namely the 7,000th record processed. Within the View Jobs page, we can see that the job has now gone restartable. If we check the output vsam file, we can see that the records up to the 7,000th record have been updated to the new value. All those processed after this, but before the error, have had those changes backed out. We fix the error by closing the input file resource in CICS, editing the vsam input file to correct the invalid data, and then reopening the file resource in CICS. Now we can restart the job so that it will continue processing from the last successful checkpoint. Refreshing the state shows that it is now executing again. In the job output, we can see that the job continues to run, until finally it completes successfully. And in the output vsam file, we can see that the records have been updated past the last checkpoint and to the end of the file itself.